Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be covering Google Camera for OnePlus 3 and 3T devices. As we have already covered OnePlus 6 series and OnePlus 7 series. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So right now you can see here I have my OnePlus 3 which is running on the stable version of Oxygen OS, which is the final version. And also guys, if you haven't checked out my other OnePlus 3 video in which I have used OnePlus 3 as a daily driver in 2020, do check that out. We'll get a better idea if this device can be still used in 2020 or not. So first of all, let me tell you, there is no best Google Camera application available for any device. All depends on your personal preferences. And the download link of this Google Camera application is given in the description below along with the official forum for Google Camera. So if any update is available, you can try that Google Camera application. First of all, let me show you the camera version over here. So here you can take a look at the Google Camera version, which is 5.2 and based on Google Camera 7.3. If you are installing Google Camera for the first time, you need to create a folder inside the internal storage. So here you can see I have a folder of Gcam, inside which you again need to create a folder called config7, and here you need to place the XML file. So XML file and Google Camera application both are given in the description below. So once you are done with that, also I'll include few samples taken using stock camera and Google Camera. So after you have installed the Google Camera application, you just need to tap here twice on the empty space. So this will give you an option to choose the XML files. So right now you can see I'm using Arnova 7.3.21 stable XML. Until now I have found this XML works great. You just need to tap on update. Your camera will restart again. Basic stuff like your camera, video recording. You can record videos at 4K in 24 FPS, 30 FPS and 60 FPS. Portrait mode works really great, as stock camera doesn't come with that feature, which is portrait mode and night mode. So night mode also works awesome on this build. You also get the astrophotography option, in which you can set the time as per your preference. You can enable astrophotography from here. Google auto white balancing feature is also available, and I don't have any astrophotography photos clicked with this device because it rains every day in the evening in Bangalore. But for sure I'll try to click few pictures, and that I'll upload on my Instagram page. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, link of that will be given in the description below. So night mode and astrophotography can be used from here. Portrait works great with both the cameras, front and back. Talking about video recording, you won't find any kind of issues related to recording videos. Now tapping on more, here we have few options like slow motion, panorama, photosphere, time lapse and lens. So slow motion doesn't work on this camera application. Maybe you need to use Magisk module or your device should be rooted for that. But time lapse works great, and here you get few options like 1x, 5x, 10x, good for walking. It will show you all the options, like good for busy spots if you choose 30x, and we also get option of 120x. At the end of video, I'll also include a video which was taken in time lapse with 30x speed. Then we get few basic settings which can be customized from here. Under photo resolution, we get only full resolution and medium resolution, but you can still record 4K videos by enabling this feature from the settings. If you want, you can also disable the sound recording, and at last you will find an option of mode configs creator. From here you can customize almost all the settings of your Google Camera and try clicking pictures, and you can choose the best settings as per your preferences. So right now only this is the Google application which works fine on OnePlus 3 and 3T devices. In future, if I get any update of Google Camera 7.4, I'll for sure make a video on that. And here are few samples which were taken using OnePlus stock camera and Google Camera. In most of the cases, Google Camera performed really great, like when taking portrait mode pictures. And if you use Google Camera for night mode, the results will be really great. You'll see a lot of difference with Google Camera. And at last, here we have a time-lapse video shot with 30x speed. So guys, this was all about the latest Google Camera application for OnePlus 3 and 3T. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below, or else you can send me a message on Instagram, because I'm more active on Instagram. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.